my kitten. Mama's gonna open some theme cat sweatshirts. Isn't that cool? Hey guys, what's up? It's Emily here. So I have a package to unbox. I found this off of a company that I just saw online. I looked up Black Cat's clothing, and I found these really cute two sweatshirts, and I absolutely love them, so I bought them. They were actually really cheap, so that was really good. So I'm gonna unbox them for you guys, and I'm super excited. It's like 2 something in the morning, by the way, so sorry if I look crazy, but I'm super excited to open them. I love sweatshirts so much, so I'm super excited to see what they look like. So, here is what they are. This is the company. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's down here. I'll show you guys on this side. So, this is the company that I got this from. I never heard of this company before. I just found it on Google. So, yep. It's in the background. Okay, so let's take them out. So, here's the first one. I got them in large because I know some people said that they kind of want small, so I decided to get a large. I was gonna get extra large, but I'm like, just in case it is a little bit too big for me, I want it to be extra big, so I got large just to be on the safe side. So this is the one sweatshirt. It's really cute. So it has a black cat with a pink nose on it, and then on the sleeves it says meow. And it also says it on this one too. So this does look really small. I'm hoping this still fits me. So the material is really great. It's just, it definitely just runs raw. So I kind of do wish I got extra large, but you never know with online stuff, because I would get something and think it I'll get a medium and it would be too big for me. So you never know with things. But yep, it's super cute. Hopefully it fits me, but I really love it. I'm gonna actually try it on for you guys right now. So here is the sweatshirt. So it does fit me actually. It just kind of looked like it was small, but I think it is I do kind of wish it was more loose, because I like my sweatshirts more loose. But I probably could try to stretch it out, but it does come up, so I definitely have to wear a tank top underneath it though. So I do kind of wish I got extra large, but like I said, I wasn't too so. And then the price tag, I thought the price tag was on here. Maybe it doesn't have a price tag. But let me open the other one up. This is the one I originally saw. It's really cute. So this is the other one. I really love this design. It's just something simple and cute. I love this one. I'm going to try it on for you guys. So here is the other one. This one's super cute. This is the one, like I said, I originally found. I love it. And honestly, this one fits me a lot better than what this one does. This one is just too small for me. I mean, I can wear a tank top underneath it, but this one fits me great. It is long, as you can tell, and it has room for me to be comfortable in. So I really do adore this one a lot. Of course, I still like this one, but I can wear this one longer. So yeah, I really love this one. I also want to show you guys this this shirt that I got from Wish. Wish has some cute clothing actually, and I found this and I thought it was so cute. It says Cat Mom on it. So cute. They actually have one in different colors. They have it in white as well, and I didn't realize it, but it was 100% cotton. And if you don't know, I love to tie-dye, so when I see things that are 100% cotton, I get so excited. So I'm actually going to order the white one eventually, and I'm going to tie-dye it. So I think that would be really fun. But I really love this shirt. It's really cute and adorable. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching my mini mini haul and unboxing video. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will be back with new videos, and I hope you guys enjoy watching me and continue watching me. So yeah, thank you guys. So I forgot I wanted to show you guys this, but I also got this from Wish. Look how cute that is. It is a cat plush, and here its tail. Its tail was actually connected to its body, but I cut it off so it can be loose. And it's so cute. They have a white one and a gray one, but of course I got the black, and it is so soft and it's shiny material, as you can tell. It's so like awesome. I wish it was bigger, but I use this as a pillow, and I think it's just so cute. But yeah, I really want to show you guys that. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and enjoy my other videos I make.